Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. This is another video of calendar business object. Now I am going to show you how to use get other holidays in range. This action we are going to use, that is a part of business object. So let me take one action, double click on that, select calendar business object, and now select get other holidays in range. Now what is other holidays? So you can consider like we have working days, non-working days, right? Based on this region, it means based on this country, we have USA. So these are the holidays that we are getting. Let me click on this and you can see we have 10th of October, that is Columbus Day from this USA client. 11/11/2021 Veterans Day we have holiday. Now there is some date which is actually not holiday, but sometime we have to make that as a holiday. So from this right section we have other holidays. It means add any other non-working days to apply to this calendar. So we already have 31st 12, 17, these dates, that is a public holiday, and Saturday and Sunday we have for non-working days, right? Now if you want to add, so let's say today is 16 and today is Saturday, so this is not working days, right? Now let's say you want to mark this 18 also as a holiday, but actually that is not holiday, that is not public holiday, but that we can say as a other holidays based on the region. If you see in India also we have few fixed national holiday, and there are few holidays that we get as a regional holidays like that. So we can consider that as a other holiday. So let's say I am going to click on this 18th October. So this 18th October we are also considering this as a holiday, but that is not public holiday, that is other holiday. So let me now select 18 and 19. Now click add. So we have 2 days, that is other holiday. You can mark multiple, you can go to November and December, you can mark anything. So we have 2 more other holidays. Save that. So we have option get other holidays in range. So we can first get all the other holidays that we have in our that a specific date range. So in this one, our calendar name first we need to enter USA calendar, and our first date is, let's say I am going to enter here today, and last date I am going to enter 31st October 2021. Go to output, click on other holidays. Now this other holidays is type of collection. It means it will give us date, all the other holidays that we have here we will get in our collection. If we have multiple, we will get all the multiple holidays between that given date range. Now click OK. Go to this, link this, right click, set next stage, step into. Now you see here in this other holidays we are getting row 1 of 2. It means we are getting 2, that is the date of the other holiday defined on this calendar. Go to the current values and you can see here we have 18 and 19. These 2 dates are other holiday, right? So by this way we can get other holidays if we have in our calendar. I hope this is also useful for you. Please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed it, and thank you so much for watching this video.